Hello students, today we understand about copying list, tuples and its functions and definitions, then dictionaries. So let's start from copying list. So we can make a copy of list by using two methods. So the simplest way to make a copy of the list is to assign it to the another list. Like this, list 1 equal to, first we define the list in square brackets, then after list 2 equal to list 1. So the list 1 and list 2 are both are same. The statement list 2 equal to list 1 does not create a new list here. Rather, it just makes list 1 to the list 2 refers to the same list object. So list 2 is also pointing the same value which was pointing by the list 1. We can understand it through an image. Like if this is list 1 and this is list 2, so list 1 pointing 1 2 3 because of list 1 equal to 1 2 3 and list 2 equal to list 1, so that list 2 also pointing this. It means whenever we make any changes into list 1, it will also reflect into the list 2. So if we change the value, if we append a value or a member to the list 1, then the value of the member list of list 2 also change and append one value into list 2. Because of list 2 is just pointing this, list 2 is not another list. So for making copy of another list, we use copy function. We can also create a copy of or clone of the list as a distinct object by three methods. The first method uses slicing, the second method uses built-in function list function, and the third method uses copy function of Python library copy. For example, we can create list using copy method, and this method creates a duplicate copy of the existing list but does not modify the original list. The syntax of copy method is new list equal to list.copy. So the copy method doesn't take any parameters, however it returns a list but does not modify the original list. So you can see here a list is defined, that is hello, the first member which is in quotes because of this is a string or the group of characters, second 10 and 25.5, they are three members. After using copy function, we create a new list and that equal to list.copy and copy function, then new list.append.python, so it will show us when we print old list and new list and underscore new list, which we can see that there are not any change in old list and new list is separate from the old list. But here both value will be same. Let's see through a practical. So let's open the compiler and do some practicals. First we create a list. So L1 equal, in brackets we take some members like 45, 67 and in quotes ABC, and then '87. So there are 4 members in the list, in this list. Then we create another list. So for this, for making copy, L2 equal L1. So let's print L1 and also print L2. So let's see what happened. Both lists are shown. Sorry, we are using brackets here. L1 and L2. When we run this, we get both are same. So let's do some change. So I want to change or append something to L1. So we print L1 dot append. First we run, then we print. So L1 dot append, and we add in L1 a value that is 65. Then we saw the output of both lists. So when we run this program, we see that both are same, 45 67, ABC 87 65. So we append to L1, and when we append to L2, what happened? When we append to L2, also that time this thing is same. The value of L1 equal to L2, so that both are pointing a single list. So for making the another copy of list, which is clone copy, we use copy function. Let's use copy function to understand to create the clone copy of a list. So for this we use copy function, and then we create this. So here L2 equal to L1 dot copy. Okay, so by using copy function we can create a clone copy, and then we run the same program and watch the output. So error. So here L2 dot, sorry, what happened? L2 equal to L1 dot copy function. This function is copy function is not worked in Python compiler, so we can run it in my laptop. So here we can see list 1 equal to, there are 4 members in list, and list 2 equal to list 1 dot copy function. Then we print the list 1, so we will get the members of list 1, the members of list 1. Now if we change or append something to this list, so we change list 2 dot append, and we add an object that is 56, and then we press enter, and then we see the result of list 1. Okay, so when we do change in list 2, it will not affect on list 1, but if we use assignment operator to assign that means it cannot create another copy of list. It just point the another list. So there are some more methods which we can use for copying a list, that are by slicing or by using list function. So let's create a slice, and then so for creating a slice we just do, in the place of L1.copy we just do list1 is equal to L1, and in L1 we just input colon sign, and then we take print L1 and L2. And then we run this. We can see then we can create a copy, but this copy is a clone copy that is not pointing the same, because of we can see that there are two different lists are shown below. This is the slicing method of creating copy of a list. The after slice, the next method is we can also use, that is list function. So by using list function, L2 equal to means new list equal to our list name and old list. So L2 equal to list function, and inside the function we write the name of our old list. So our old list name is L1, and then we run this program and we can see the same output. So there are list.copy copy function worked in laptop or the desktop version, or it's not working in our Python compiler, but there are more methods to create a copy of or clone of our list, that is slice method and creating slice and list function. We can also use copy.copy to import copy new list, import the copy. So I think this is sufficient to know us, but if you want more, I will give more information on next videos when we revise this chapter again. Then next topic is tuples, so we will start tuples in next video. Thank you.